Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Well, today I just wanted to show you what we did today with indices and also with gold, which we're still holding a buy on gold. Before we start right there, I just wanted to quickly um, let you know about the bundle that I'm offering. So it's open until December 31st. Don't miss out. I'm offering the course plus the mentorship plus the VIP signals for only $80. Alrighty, don't miss out. This is pretty much for life. All right, if you're interested into that, just leave your comments right here below. Leave your information and send it out, and I will be replying to you regarding that. All right. Let me know, guys, if you're interested. So let's go ahead and jump in right quick on gold first. Starting on gold, right here, this nice analysis that I actually did send to the BIP right here. You can see pretty much from this point when the market was breaking the actual channel right there. So I'll show you why I decided to make that. Just basically seeing this big reversal pattern right here on gold, I miss out this buy. I was actually predicting also on the VIP group, I think it was last week. I was predicting this push from basically if it breaks right here, reaching previous highs at this zone, and I missed it out. I forgot to put the alert, and I completely missed out the push. So today I did not forget to put the actual alert. I was spotting this, the push, the pullback right here, nice pullback using the Fibonacci from the low to the high. We are in the golden zone. Then I was on a 1 hour time frame right here, seeing this kind of like a nice double bottom, and then I set the alert somewhere around this zone, right? So I completely forgot about this. Like um, I was not watching the chart. I just set the alert and I was watching indices. And then all of a sudden, the market actually hit my alert. I heard it on the phone and I was like, oh, shoot. When I came back here, the price was just right there. So this is when I actually send the signal. That's why it's important, guys, to have alerts, right? Because you don't need to be watching the charts all the time, right? You just forget about it. Just do your chart, you do your setup, and you put your alert where you think, like let's say the market, I don't know, you try to measure where you think the market, if once the market reaches that zone, you know, you will be alerted. You will be actually notified, and at that point, you know that that's your entry, and you know that in fact, this beautiful setup right here. And if you know me already and you know my strategy, on the breakout right here with this one candle, the price broke. This was the entry point right there immediately. Stop loss below the low, and aiming take profits to the previous high, at least to the previous high. Okay, I don't want to go higher right there because I know gold is a lot crazier, and I'm already on break even. I already secured profits in the middle. All right, remember I always tell you this. Where's the rule? Here, every time the market reaches your middle point, your middle zone, which is right here, you should be securing profits, putting a stop loss to break even, and let it run. Right? This is a risk-free trade. Whatever happens right now, if it falls, it falls. If it goes up, nice. But at least that's what we do, right? If you see in 15 minutes, look at what the market did. Nice breakout, nice retest, giving you that bullish engulfing. Here would have been a nice another buy zone, another buy opportunity here. I did not catch it, but it would have been a nice buy right there. Stop loss below that low and take profit to the top on the zone. But this would have been a nice buy also right here in this trigger right here. After the breakout, the retest trigger, boom. That's all you needed. So it was a nice setup, beautiful setup. Still open as I mentioned. Let's see if it's going to continue. Most likely during tonight we could have a little pullback. I know gold is crazy, so we could even get stopped out. It's very possible. I know that on break even at least, but that it is. That's basically it. That's what I wanted to show you for gold. Now let's go on Nasdaq. So basically, right here, if you saw my previous analysis, I think I said was it yesterday or the day before yesterday. I had a buy in this zone. This was my first entry right here on the breakout of the trend. First entry, stop loss below. The price pushed. Now when it was pushing, I decided to put this thing on break even, and I did put it on break even, and then I got stopped out right there. That little candle right here, that little son of a god, uh, stopped me out. But I was like, okay, that's fine. I should have not placed it on break even this soon. That's why sometimes, guys, you have to use your think about it well, because I normally put my stop loss to break even if it reaches once it reaches the middle the middle point, right? If I'm aiming 1 to 2, as soon as it reaches the one, basically the middle part right here, that's when I put it on break even. But I don't know why. I don't know why I was still a little. I was not trusting that the market was going to push up, so I put it like when the price was pushing right here. But during the night, I put it on break even, and that shit stopped me out right there, like barely with the spread, stopped me out. So, anyways, once that happened, right here, I did send the analysis also for this one, and the price was pushing. This is what I was saying. Was what I was seeing here. That push and that pullback and that beautiful trigger right there, right? You got the push, pullback. You have this support. The price is touching the support, is touching the golden zone on the Fibonacci, is giving you that trigger. Boom, that's the entry right there. Oh, that's all you need right there. Beautiful entry, stop loss below, price pushing, nice push right now. So breaking zones right now. You see, kind of struggled today and finally broke. It broke with one single candle, then started to push up. It stopped right here in this 4 hour zone, came back down, finally breaking it. So now it's retesting. So that's why it's very important, guys, to highlight your 4 hour zones. At least your 4 hour zones. I would say those are the best. I would say, at least for me, for what I'm doing for my strategy. So that's it. Basically, nice push right now. Still holding this buy, swinging the hell out of the markets. Look at the US 30 right here. I just put the take profit at this zone, but I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna definitely hold it for longer. I already secured profits, and I'm already on break even, and this thing is just rocketing. Like after the breakout, this was my first entry. This green line right here is my first entry, and just pushing right there. Beautiful, beautiful push. I also did send this to the actual group. This is Nasdaq, S&P 500, US 30. Ooh, from the very beginning. It's been like, let's try to go back so you can see. Look at this US 30 right here when the price was just, starting to shoot up. Ah, my goodness. Almost what? Almost 1,000 pips, because right here you see the final TP is 1,000 pips. So we're like 900 and something pips already in profits. Crazy right here. Swing trade. I just love doing this type of swing tradings. Sometimes because you swing, you don't need to be watching the charts all the time because you already know. If you don't know or you want to know what's my strategy on the swing, for swing trading, I recommend you watching my playlist for Swing It. It's called Swing It. I even have it here. So just go on my YouTube channel and you can find the actual playlist right there. S&P 500, I'm still holding. You see this green line right here? I'm still holding in this buy right here also from the very bottom. Um, right there, the channel. Look at the channel, that nice trend on a 4 hour. Price came back, touched the channel, touch the trend line, touch the previous high right here. It's a nice support and nice demand zone right here. 4 hour bullish engulfing candle. My goodness, this is just. I do believe this is going to continue, creating new record highs. And today I just did this scalping. Besides actually holding, this was our only trade for the day on S&P 500. Nice setup, and I'm going to give you the explanation how I did it. I always explain as well when you spot a trend like that. I normally draw my trend on the first touch. So the first higher low, at that point I just draw from the bottom to this one. So draw it, boom, you have the trend. Now the market was consolidating basically today. it was going slowly, 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 and you see, didn't want it was a lot of rejection in this 4 hour zone. So I was like, all right, let's see what's going to happen right here before the New York Stock Exchange opens, and let's see if we can actually spot a buy. But because I was on top of my trend, it was looking better than even US 30 or Nasdaq to make the entry today. So I just decided to go with this. I just spotted the price reaching, touching the channel again, touch the channel, giving you that trigger right there. Three candle reversal pattern. Boom. I saw that and I immediately sent it to the group. Let's see where it was. Here. Forgot. I think it was this one. Yeah, I was already in with this one, holding the swing. And right here, you see the buy right there on a 15-minute time frame, S&P 500. Boom, and stop loss below. I just made another small entry. So I sent it to the group, and after that, just skyrocket, like almost zero drawdown, like just one single candle, like just a little drawdown right there, and then after that, just skyrocket. And yes, I did take profits right here in the zone. So it was like a scalping trade today, while holding this swing. So what else can I ask? I mean, it was beautiful, beautiful setup, beautiful buy right there. Don't miss out, guys. Again, if you wanna, if you're interested on actually learning, I don't want you guys to just purchase the course or get this just because you want the signals, right? I want you guys to learn what I do, master what I do, and repeat. Alrighty, that's what I always encourage my students to do. So if you want to join, just let me know. As I mentioned, you can just go right here. I want the course, leave your information, accept the terms, basically, and you just go on submit. And in a few minutes, or depending if I'm sleeping, of course, because I'm the only one managing this, I will answer and I will give you all the information for you to actually get inside the course, getting the mentorship, plus the VIP signals for life. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.